What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really effective and fast technique to achieve very cool mountainscapes using the Bob Ross technique. With acrylic paints, not oils, acrylics. So I hope you guys all enjoy and stay tuned because stay tuned, and don't forget guys to subscribe if you enjoy this. I've got a ton of really cool stuff coming up. My schedule's been super crazy and busy the last little while. I've been working really hard to try and build up some more content to share with people. Hope you guys all enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care guys. Ciao.
So there we have it guys. I'm just wrapping up here. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I really wanted to show everyone that you can still create effective mountainscapes using a palette knife with acrylic paints. I hope you guys took something out of this video. I really strongly want to encourage even the unconfident ones to take on the challenge of creating mountainscapes using a palette knife and acrylic. It's definitely a little bit more challenging, and you definitely have to, as you can see, you definitely have to work with the paint a little bit more. But all in all guys, this is a super cool way to create quick and effective mountainscapes. Till the next one, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to earn your subscription, and stay tuned. There's a ton more to come. Happy painting and take care.